For my winter look, I'm gonna start with Prep and Prime Skin Massage. Feels so soft, so lightweight. First layer is good. Next, I'm gonna use the Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. So soft, my skin feels so bouncy, but it's still lightweight. I love it. Look at that bounce back. I'm gonna use the Strobe cream for a natural luminous highlight. I'm gonna do it on my T-zone. Just give it a little bit of love. It smells so good. Look at this natural highlight. Because my skin is always dry in the winter, I'm gonna use the FIX+MAGIC Radiance for some extra radiance and moisture. Now I'm gonna use Studio Fix Primer for some oil control on my nose and to minimize my pores. For my base, I'm gonna use the Studio Radiance in shade W7. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Look at the radiance. And it's giving me this beautiful natural finish. So next I'm gonna use the 24-hour Studio Fix Concealer to brighten and conceal. Blend it out and dab it away with my fingers. And voila! Now I'm gonna use the new Holiday Highlighter Palette. Look at this packaging. So trippy, I love it. Swish and swipe. And you just wanna sweep it on. Wow, look at that. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go in with the brow styler and just fill my brows in a little bit with some light strokes and then brush it out. So now I'm gonna top it off with some brow gel. For blush, I'm gonna go in with Glow Play on the apples of my cheek. It's so soft and buttery. So I'm gonna keep my eyes clean today and just finish it off with some extended play. Wow, that's so pretty. So now I'm gonna line my lips with the iconic Chestnut. Next on my lips, I'm gonna use the lipstick from the new holiday collection. Look at this packaging. Oh my god, like, this is so fun. So I'm gonna go in with the color Mocha. They're so cute and mini. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love that. So now I'm gonna finish off my look with Mocha Swirl. And this is the finished look, like glam. It's not too much, but it's just enough.